Good morning. I'm going to do a quick OligoScan on myself, and I thought I'd share it while I'm doing it. So it's been a few years since I've done one, and basically what this does is, for me, I always feel like it's a good place to do it, if people have the cash, of course, to do it at the end of a detox. And as I've said before, part of what I love about the HCG is that it feels to me like a brown fat detox. So it's a really nice way of kicking in. So basically, it's a little device that you very simply, it takes a readout of what is stored in the bone, the blood, the tissue of the body. So it's not just like a blood test where it's just looking at what's in your blood. It's not just like a urine test where it's what's in your urine. It's a bit of everything. So basically, I'll show you this. So this is the report for my minerals. So obviously the green are good and the yellow not so good. So my phosphorus is high, my silica's low, my zinc's a bit high. Interesting, zinc and copper are often out of whack, and particularly as women, that can lead to issues hormonally. So that's something I might need to sort of look at, as doing a bit of a detox. I have been taking a bit of zinc lately, so maybe just even cutting out my supplements there. My lithium's a bit low. We do have quite low lithium levels in our soil in Australia. My selenium's a bit high, and once again, I have been taking some supplements. And these are my heavy metals. So my aluminium's a bit high. I used to have very high mercury. It was over here in the red. So my aluminium's a bit high. My silver's a bit high. My cadmium and mercury and lead. So when I use my so it's probably time for me to take some more zeolite, because the thing I like about the detoxed zeolite, because you have to buy zeolite that's been fully detoxed, otherwise you're putting more heavy metals into your body. But because with HCG, and I've moved 8 kilos of toxins around the body in the last couple of months, so it's now good to see this so that I can go, okay, time for me to do a bit more detoxing. I've moved toxins from that fat mass, so that's now been released. If my liver and kidneys and detox organs haven't sopped it up or eliminated it, made it able to be taken out of the body. So toxins need to be changed from fat-soluble toxins into water-soluble toxins so that the liver and kidneys can actually release them. So I thought I'd show you that. That's my OligoScan for this morning. And really, my minerals don't look too bad. But the high ones, that high copper, no, it's normal copper but high zinc. And that could even be because when I'm on HCG, one of our lazy meals is tinned asparagus and tinned low-fat tuna. So, just having tinned food can add, there's about 8 different metals in your tins when you buy tinned foods. So, you buy even organic food. I think I've said this before, it's quite crazy. Sometimes you'll buy it on a polystyrene plate, and then the organic, say broccoli, will be, and then it's wrapped in Glad wrap. So we're surrounding it with plastic as well. So these are things that just make our bodies a bit more challenged. Page 3 of this, actually, by the way. Okay, so I'll show you this one as well. So this is page 3, which sort of shows major areas. One of the things I like, you want your oxidative aggression to be less than your protection. But yeah, so the heavy metals is showing up in the red, and tissue repair is showing up in the red. So basically they're 2 things that possibly for tissue repair now, once again, because when you remove a lot of fat from your body, sometimes fat is actually helping your body to hold things together. So it's time for me to take some glucosamine, some stem enhance, that type of thing. Anyway, that's my OligoScan for the day today. Have a good one. Bye.